Hi guys. Hi guys. Welcome back. So today we're going to be looking at a analyzer. It's a free analyzer. I use this all the time. This is actually one of my favorite analyzers to use. It's pretty basic, but I'm just going to do a quick video on how I use this analyzer. I actually have it on the stereo channel already. So this is oscilloscope from bomshankas, if I'm correct. Yes, it's a free analyzer on their website. This is not a paid, promoted, sponsored video. It's just an analyzer that I like to use quite a lot. So let's dive in. So I'm just gonna use. Let me just create a quick generic base patch. Just change that. Okay, cool. Just turn the random off, detune phase. Okay, fine. So let's dive into the oscilloscope. So why I like this oscilloscope the most, you can drag it open here to make it bigger and smaller. For now, just let's use it big. Okay. So you can change your time tempo here. Let's just use it at a quarter. Let's look at a bar. Okay, so why I like this thing is just like it's straightforward, gives you straight readings immediately. So when I look at my kick and bass, I can see exactly what's going on and I can start tuning. So as you can see, the first note is definitely, if I put the kick on itself, you see the kick is nice. We can even see in the beginning of the kick that it's actually quite level. If you look at high frequencies, you look at mid frequencies, and you look at sub frequencies of the kick, that the kick is quite nice. It ends just before, which I like. The high end is cool. Yeah, the kick is quite nice. I think I actually EQ'd this kick. Yeah, you can see I've EQ'd this kick prior. So now let's look at that bass we were working on. So the movement of the notes. Okay, so what I like to see is now, let's open up Serum. Yes, Serum. I'm just going to leave it off the screen. Okay, so you can see the phase of the thing starts quite nicely. It starts at the bottom. So what I like to do is you can play around with the wavetable position. I mean, not the wavetable position. The phase, to see if you can make it 180 and try and like move it. So if you go here with the phase, you can move the phase of the starting position. Let's play. So I'm just going to move the phase. So you can see when the bass note starts on the top, it has a more high frequency energetic feeling, where it starts at the bottom, it has more low frequency sound. I'm not sure why, but I realized that. See, when it starts at the bottom, it's quite low. When it starts on top, you get a bit of that snap. Excuse me. Yeah, so this is my favorite oscilloscope analyzer for these type of things, and it's quite accurate on the grids. Some of them you have to like put your time in seconds and stuff on it, and I'm just more a fan of this. So let's just open up, see the bass notes, looks good. So we can throw a little kick on it. You immediately see the first note has issues with the sub frequencies. It goes louder. But if you look at the phase is quite good, so it's not too much of an issue. So all you can do is you can add an LFO tool on, or you can just, what I used to do, you can separate the first notes of all the the bass notes, and drop it in a second channel and just drop the volume. I think it would be easier just to, for this video, just do LFO. So let's just sidechain, quick sidechain. Okay, so let's look at the oscilloscope again. So we're looking at this first note. We can see in the sub there's some leakage, so we can just kind of, doesn't have that leak. Okay, cool. So you can see the first note now and the bass have a much better relationship going on. If I'll turn on LFO off, loud, leveled. A bit of little zing here, but that's fine. Yeah, so this is just a quick short video on my favorite analyzer of bomshankas. Hope you guys enjoy it. Bye.